The 10 most diabolical and disgusting parasites. Parasites are masterful adapters in the animal kingdom, employing clever strategies to survive. Cymathoa exigua, the tongue-eating louse, astonishingly replaces a fish's tongue, causing both intrigue and discomfort. Such incredible adaptations underscore the dynamic interactions between parasites and hosts in nature's complex web. The Ophiocordyceps unilateralis fungus zombifies ants, leading them to ideal spore dispersal sites before they perish. Saculina carcini, a barnacle, infiltrates crabs, altering their biology for its gain. This adaptation demonstrates nature's remarkable, albeit unsettling, ingenuity in the parasitic world. Wolbachia bacteria manipulates insect ratios, favoring females to ensure its continuation. Parasitic wasp larvae control spider behavior for their benefit, while Trichomonas gallinae's historical presence might have affected the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. These examples highlight the vast influence parasites exert on their hosts. Join us on this riveting journey to uncover the secrets of nature's parasitic wonders. Subscribe and share our channel for more enthralling explorations into the natural world's mysteries. Stay informed and captivated by the planet's most astonishing creatures.